Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel Learning Corner. Today inshallah we are learning numbers in Arabic from 1 till 10. الاعداد العربية من واحد إلى العشرة. So our goal is to learn the numbers which are also known as unit numbers, and they are from 1 till 10. So objectives are to pronounce the numbers correctly and to construct and write the numbers in a proper manner. الأعداد العربية. 1 is واحد. 1 واحد. 2 اثنان. 2 اثنان. 3 ثلاث. 3 ثلاث. 4 أربع. 4 أربع. 5 خمس. 5 خمس. 6 ست. 6 ست. 7 سبع. 7 سبع. 8 ثمان. 8 ثمان. 9 تسع. 9 تسع. and 10 عشر. 10 عشر. Now this is one way of saying the unit numbers, and the other way of saying the same numbers is واحدة. 1 واحدة. In the previous one you have seen that there was no circle ta at the end, so it was واحد, and this is واحدة. 2 اثنتان. 2 اثنتان. 3 ثلاثة. 3 ثلاثة. 4 أربعة. 4 أربعة. 5 خمسة. 5 خمسة. 6 ستة. 6 ستة. 7 سبعة. 7 سبعة. 8 ثمانية. 8 ثمانية. 9 تسعة. 9 تسعة. and 10 عشرة. 10 عشرة. So you can test your knowledge. How do you say these numbers in Arabic? How do you say number 3 in Arabic? Think. Okay, you are correct. 3 is said like ثلاث or ثلاثة. ثلاث or ثلاثة. How do you say number 5 in Arabic? Think. Yes, mashallah, you are correct. خمس or خمسة. خمس or خمسة. And how do you say 8 in Arabic? Yes, think. Good, mashallah. Yes, ثمان or ثمانية. ثمان or ثمانية. And how do you say 10 in Arabic? Yes, think. Very good, mashallah. عشر or عشرة. عشر or عشرة. Okay, Jazakallah. That was all for today. I hope you have learned the numbers. We'll meet inshallah in the other lesson with a new set of numbers. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.